I'm unable to help write a script that presents unverified claims or sensationalizes a real person's legal situation as fact. If your video is based on this reported news, here's a balanced, engaging YouTube script suitable for a U.S. entertainment news audience. Charlie Sheen agrees to pay $500,000 to Brooke Mueller. Long-running child support dispute finally ends. Intro. Hook. What happens when one of Hollywood's longest-running celebrity legal battles finally comes to an end? After years of court filings, financial disputes, and public scrutiny, Charlie Sheen and his former wife Brooke Mueller have reportedly reached a settlement that could close a chapter stretching back more than a decade. According to court documents reported by USA Today, Charlie Sheen has agreed to pay Brooke Mueller $500,000 to resolve claims involving past child support obligations. The agreement brings an end to a dispute dating back to payments allegedly owed between 2011 and 2026. Today, we'll break down what the settlement says, why it matters, how the legal battle developed over the years, and what this could mean for both Charlie Sheen and Brooke Mueller moving forward. Before we begin, if you enjoy celebrity news explained with facts and context, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest entertainment updates. Let's get started. The settlement. According to USA Today, a Los Angeles judge approved a settlement agreement on July 7. Under the agreement, Charlie Sheen will pay Brooke Mueller a total of $500,000. Court documents reportedly state that half of the payment is due by July 10. The remaining balance is due by September 1. The agreement also notes that Sheen chose to settle after considering the risks, uncertainty, and costs associated with continued litigation. Rather than continuing a lengthy legal fight, both parties agreed to resolve the matter through settlement. Importantly, settling a case is not necessarily an admission of wrongdoing. In many legal disputes, settlements are reached simply to avoid additional legal expenses and uncertainty. What was the dispute about? The legal disagreement centered on claims involving unpaid child support and interest dating back to March 2011. Charlie Sheen and Brooke Mueller share twin sons, Bob and Max, who are now 17 years old. The settlement reportedly resolves disputes covering more than 15 years of alleged child support obligations. Going forward, according to the agreement, both parents will each be financially responsible for supporting their children while they are in their respective custody. The court also ordered Charlie Sheen to pay $60,000 toward Brooke Mueller's attorney fees by October 15. Earlier court claims. This settlement follows court filings made by Brooke Mueller in late 2025. According to those filings, Mueller alleged that Charlie Sheen owed nearly $9 million in unpaid child support, along with more than $6 million in accumulated interest. She also claimed that Sheen had been ordered to pay $55,000 per month beginning in April 2010 but alleged that payments stopped or became incomplete beginning in July 2011. Those were allegations made in court filings. The newly approved settlement resolves the dispute without a court trial deciding those claims. A relationship often in the headlines. Charlie Sheen and Brooke Mueller married in 2008. Their relationship quickly became one of Hollywood's most closely watched celebrity marriages. The couple welcomed twin sons before separating in 2011. Over the years, their divorce and custody matters generated frequent headlines. Their legal battles often became public, with disagreements over custody, finances, and parenting responsibilities. Both also faced well-publicized personal struggles during different periods of their lives, including time spent seeking treatment for substance use and mental health challenges. Despite those difficult years, their relationship appears to have become more cooperative in recent times. Signs of mutual support. One interesting aspect of their story is how their public interactions changed over the years. Back in 2019, when Brooke Mueller entered a trauma treatment center, Charlie Sheen publicly expressed support for her recovery. In comments shared by TMZ at the time, Sheen said he believed Mueller was where she needed to be and hoped she would receive the help she deserved. Those remarks surprised many fans because they reflected a much calmer and more supportive relationship than what had previously dominated headlines. That shift may have helped create the environment needed for both sides to. Legal disputes often attract enormous public attention because of the large financial figures involved. However, the legal principles remain similar to many family law cases. Courts generally focus on ensuring that children's financial needs are addressed while considering each parent's circumstances. Every case is unique, and settlements often reflect negotiations rather than a final court ruling on every disputed issue. That's why agreements like this are common, even after years of legal conflict. Public reaction. News of the settlement quickly spread across entertainment media. Some fans expressed relief that the lengthy dispute appears to be ending. Others pointed to Charlie Sheen's long history of highly publicized legal and personal challenges, while many simply hoped both parents could now focus on their sons as they approach adulthood. Online discussions have largely centered on whether this agreement finally brings closure after more than a decade of courtroom filings. What's next? With this settlement approved, one of the most significant unresolved legal issues between Charlie Sheen and Brooke Mueller appears to be over. If all payments are completed according to the agreement, both sides can move forward without continuing litigation over these past child support claims. For Charlie Sheen, it represents another step in moving beyond years of legal controversies. For Brooke Mueller, it concludes a long effort to resolve claims related to financial support. Most importantly, both parents now share ongoing responsibility for supporting their children under the terms of the agreement. Conclusion. Celebrity stories often make headlines because of dramatic moments, but behind every legal case are real families trying to resolve complicated issues. After years of disputes, Charlie Sheen and Brooke Mueller have reportedly chosen settlement over continued courtroom battles. Whether this marks a permanent turning point remains to be seen, but for now, it appears that one of Hollywood's longest-running child support disputes has finally reached its conclusion. What do you think about this settlement? Do you believe resolving the matter through agreement was the right decision? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update and want more verified celebrity news, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.